Hi, I'm Atomic Tom from Atomic Science. I'm here today to show you what we can do with dry ice. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide, the gas that's now coming off this piece of dry ice. Because of the temperature we need to reduce carbon dioxide to turn it into dry ice, I have to wear these gloves to protect my hands from this minus 78 Celsius piece of equipment. To do more exciting experiments, we need to heat it up a little more, so that's what we're going to do. Let's get a handful, have a little bit more fun by putting it in there. Let's put a bit more in. There we go. As you can see, this carbon dioxide and water vapour that's coming out of the top of the conical flask is then dropping down to the floor. This is to do with the weight of the carbon dioxide. It's heavier than the air that's around it. And for this, we can make some great effects for stage, various productions, the way that it eerily creeps off the table and down the front in a waterfall. The next one that we're going to do, we'll put a piece of dry ice into a balloon. This is a good way of showing that gas takes up much more space than the solid. A very important thing to know when we're dealing with dry ice. Let's put that in there. And then if we tie the balloon up, we will see over the next few minutes, the balloon will inflate because of the carbon dioxide gas that can't now escape. Let's pop that just there. So our next experiment that we're going to do, we're going to put some more dry ice and boiling water in this conical flask. There we go. You may be able to hear that noise. That's very interesting. That's not just moving around in the bottle. As the gas escapes from the piece of dry ice, if we trap it onto something, for example, the bottom of the conical flask, it will vibrate, obviously making sound. So who wants to see me make some ice cream? I'm afraid this is the best joke I have. I'm not going to make edible ice cream, I'm going to make ice scream. So if we do this, that's ice cream. Sorry, that's my best joke. That's all I've got. What's happening there is the carbon dioxide gas is coming away from the piece of dry ice, and because I'm pushing it onto the flask, it's making it vibrate. Kind of like nails down a blackboard, but it's a bit of fun, that one anyway. So we put some more in here, and then what I'm going to do is pop this hose in so that hopefully most of the vapour comes out of the end of the hose. It's some carbon dioxide filled bubbles. There we go. Excellent. But there we go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? You can see that balloon starting to inflate now because of the piece of carbon dioxide, piece of dry ice that's in there. We rattle it around, you may be able to hear there's still a lot in there as well, so that's got a long way to go. So we're going to make a little witch's cauldron now, hopefully. So we need lots of dry ice for this bit. There we are, to really get it going. And this stuff is cool. In fact, let's put loads in. And a nice bit of boiling water. There we are. I feel like I'm in some kind of pantomime or play or something now. Really bubbling away, excellent. You can see it dropping all over the table. Looks really eerie, excellent for productions and things. So the witch's cauldron looks pretty good like that. But the way that I like to really change it a little bit is, where's my bubble mixture gone? Let's chuck that in. Maybe a little bit more. Whilst the dry ice itself is obviously extremely cold and dangerous, that's why I've had to wear my gloves, the gas is completely safe. So I can play around with these bubbles without any problems at all, as long as I don't put my hands in and touch the dry ice. Lots more dry ice again for this one. Get it sublimating well, like our witch's cauldron. And now, here we go. Hey, look at that. Here it goes. It's gonna go. gonna go. Hey, excellent.